Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March the 19th, 2022. Welcome. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. You guys can already see it. Look at your screen. I do price predictions without the confusion. So if you all appreciate the video after you see it, then make sure before you head out, hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe here to the channel. Because you guys can tell, if you haven't realized, Amazon has announced a stock split 20-1 that is supposed to go into effect, I think, in May. So I want you all, if I'm incorrect in that, please drop a comment and straighten it out for me, because I want all of our subscribers, all of our individuals, to get accurate and correct information. So if I'm incorrect in that, just go ahead and drop a comment real quick and tell me what is that date that split is supposed to take place. All right. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you where I think the price in Amazon is going to go now. Okay, a lot has gone on since I did my last video. Let me zoom in. Since I did my last forecast, which was right here on February the 22nd, I was playing the weakness into the market at Amazon then, and you guys can tell, look at that, price went down. Okay, I wasn't surprised. We all should not be surprised that we saw price go down in Amazon, because I predicted it on the 22nd of February right there. If you haven't seen that video, guess what? I'm documenting my forecast. I am documenting my price prediction, so you all can actually see and come back later and see what really happened to the market. Yeah, so you can say, yeah, this guy really understands how to play the market. He really understands how to predict prices in the stocks. That's it. Take a look. So I was looking for the buyers to come to the market in Amazon around $2,900. As you all can tell, the buyers came in all the way down here. This is where the market stopped. That's about 12%. Cool. Either you got 12% out the market in Amazon, or you got 5.5%. I'll take 5.5% because I came out with more than what I went into with the play. This is how this game is won. We're here to not dictate what we want from the market. That is not how these market works. You simply come in and you grab what they are offering to you and you leave. And when they offer you something else, you come back in and grab that and you leave. You don't overstay your welcome in the market. That's ridiculous. So check this out. Let's get rid of this. Okay. And let's talk about this real quick, right? Let's keep it real. Let's keep it a buck. The market in Amazon, right, is still trading in this very long range. Like, look at this. Since 2020, we've been trading within this range since 2020. Imagine all of those long-term holders. You literally wasted 2 years of just seeing this market trade within a channel. 2 years. That's crazy. So now you're looking at the market in Amazon doing a stock split. So the prices that we're seeing now, it is not going to be the same whenever that stock split occurs. It's not. So I'm going to have to do another video in Amazon once that occurs, because the prices are going to be different. All right. But first thing I'm going to do, seeing that the market is the ultimate decider. They decide what price is going to do. Not me, not you, no one. The market is the ultimate decider. All the market participants dictate what they are expecting, right? So obviously, this market in Amazon is now still trading within the channel, right? We're still here. So now let's do this. Okay. Let me get rid of this trend because we're not trading there yet, but this has been a great stock. Like those people who tell you to come in and hold stocks for 40 years. This is one of those stocks that you do that with, right? You got the proof right here in front of you. You come in and buy, price goes up. Every stock is not like that. So don't believe the mantra. You got to be real stringent on which one of those plays can you hold for the long term. All right. That's one thing they don't tell you. Every stock is not a long-term play. No. Amazon is a long-term play. You guys can actually do that here with Amazon to hold for the long term. And it tells you that when you see these stocks that are trading like this and they only go up, right? That is because this is not retail doing this. All right. A market that just goes up continually is not done by retail. This is because Many institutions, IRAs, city retirement funds, pension funds, they're holding this stock in Amazon. They're the one that's creating this increase in value because people want their IRAs. People want their retirement fund, their retirement accounts, their pension funds to increase. So you got to be specific on those stocks that's going to be added to these portfolios, and Amazon inevitably is one of them. Apple is one of them. Google is one of them. Like, many people are adding these stocks to their portfolios for the long term, and they continue to add to it. That is why these markets are acting the way that they act. It's not because retail traders are doing it. No, they don't have enough money to do this. Big money, big institutions is propping this stock up the way it has. And that's how you follow the market again as well. So, seeing that the market in Amazon is now traded within this channel, we already got ideas to what to expect going forward. We're looking for the market to do just that. Continue to trade in the channel. All right. Look at this on a weekly time frame. So now, look at this. Look at the last week. I mean, pay attention to what the market in Amazon did last week. Just look at that. Like, that's crazy. That's a very good move. Like, let's keep it a buck. The buyers has truly won out against the sellers. They did a fantastic job in Amazon last week. Yeah, the buyers, I tip my hat off at them, right? I give them credit. They did a great job, to the point to where we're still looking for the market in Amazon to go up, right? So now we're going to play the strength into the market in Amazon. As long as the market trades above 3,000, and again, no lower than our trading channel, right? It's about 10.5%. So now I'm just going to play this price prediction within this trading channel. Okay. The first area is going to be around $3,300. Yes, I know it's a snack, it's small, but hey, like I said, we're not here to dictate what we want to get from the market. If the market's only going to give us 2.32%, then we better be happy to take it, because we came out more with what we went into with. I'll take that 2.32% and find another opportunity. But you know what? This last weekly price bar kind of tells me that the market is not going to stop at $3,300. They're going to continue to bring this market up higher because they're trying to go somewhere. It might be $3,400. That's around 5.5%. I'll take that too. So I'm gonna give you 3 price targets: $3,300, 34. Well, let me just do 2 because I'm not looking for the markets to stop at $3,300. So let me just give you 2 price targets. The first one is $3,400. Then the second one is up here at this range, this topper of this channel, this top end of the channel, which is around 3,500. All right, which is around 9.6%. All right, so now let me hit this back over to the daily time frame, because we do like to view the market on a day-to-day basis of when this market trades. Now check this out. Okay, let's keep it real. When you see a market go from 28.50 all the way up here to $3,200, $3,220, that's 13% run with no moving down. So beginning of next week, yeah, be prepared for the market to try to go down. All right, I'm just here. The market cannot just shoot up like this continually without seeing some people trying to take profitability. That's how this game has to work. You have to look for the market to eventually come down. And it's been 4 days that the market has went straight up. It's about time for a break. So in the beginning, from out the gate, price, yes, can go down in Amazon. All right, so just relax when you guys see that happen, because we already identified where we're looking for the market to go. As long as price doesn't break below that 28.50 area, we're still sitting pretty in our forecast. All right, and that's it. So now I want to know, what do you all think about Amazon? Where do you think the price is going to go as we go into the month of April and May? Hit me up, drop me a comment. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.